In the heart of a lush forest, where the leaves whispered secrets and the wind told stories, there lived a tiny, vibrant cicada named Chirpy. Chirpy was known for her melodious songs that echoed through the woods, filling the air with joy and harmony. One hot summer day, while the forest was still and quiet, Chirpy began to sing her usual song. But something was different this time. Her song was filled with sadness, and it didn't take long for the other creatures to notice. The wise old owl, perched high up in the tallest tree, asked, "Chirpy, why does your song sound so sad today?" Chirpy, her voice quivering, replied, "I fear that my song has lost its melody, its magic. I am afraid that I am no longer the one who brings joy to the forest." The owl, with a gentle hoot, said, "Fear not, dear Chirpy, for every creature has its season and every song its time. Your song is a gift, and like the sun, it shines brightest when it is needed most." Chirpy pondered the owl's words. She realized that her fear had clouded her perspective. She had been so focused on her song's power that she forgot its purpose, to bring happiness to others. That evening, as the sun set and the forest came alive with the sounds of nocturnal creatures, Chirpy began to sing again. This time, her song was filled with a newfound confidence and a deeper melody. It resonated through the woods, touching the hearts of every creature, and for a moment, the forest was filled with a symphony of joy. The next day, the forest was abuzz with the news of Chirpy's powerful song. The creatures marveled at its beauty and were reminded of the impact a single, small creature could have on the world. And so, Chirpy learned a valuable lesson that day, that the power of her song was not in its melody, but in its purpose. She realized that her song, like every gift, has its time, and it is in these moments that it truly shines. Remember, dear friends, to cherish the gifts you have been given, for it is in their purpose that they find their true power. Let the song of your life be one that brings joy, love, and harmony to the world.